Hey, it's Graham Bibby here. I think this is videoing. So I just wanted to show you a few charts because since the eventual decision to move to cash, this is what's been happening in the market. So the move to cash was here, around about this circle, and this has happened in the industrials. This has happened in the transport, although that could be basing. The utilities held up, but that's pulled back. S&P 500 was here, just done that, and even, especially this had come back to a support level. This is the Nasdaq, the growth stock, came back to a support level, and even here it looked like it might turn up, but it didn't, and that was the decision to sell, and that's where we've gone lower. And even, good companies that are not so following the crowd, Nike came off like that. And the major concern, I guess, is things like Amazon. And then when you zoom back, you can see this is the move following that COVID, and then it went sideways for 2.5 months, then moved up, and now we've been going sideways for roughly 3 months. And Apple going sideways August, September, October, and we're into November, 3 months. And Facebook, which had held up really well, see it's had sideways movements of 2.5 months, has now been going sideways for 3 months. But apart from Friday's market, it looked quite positive with that uptick on Thursday. But this is what can happen. The stock dropped 7% in one day. So that's why we're out. We're watching everything, and we'll be back in as soon as some new trends start to form, but they're not doing that at the moment. Gold and silver I thought would be doing better, but it's not. And if I go into here, I can show you strange things happening. Carnival Cruise, it's in a downtrend, but had a reasonable update on Friday. Nugget come off quite a bit. At one stage in October it was 150, it went down to almost 100. Had an update on Friday, but there's no buy signal. I think gold and silver will give buy signals, but they're not doing it yet. This is the silver share, no signal yet. So right now cash is king. There's going to be a great opportunity, probably going to come after the election, when I would expect a reasonably big move come, because we will have decided eventually, maybe not the first few days, not the first few weeks, but eventually we'll know who is president, and then also we will come to know where the stimulus is. So this is Bibster saying we're in cash, it's the right place to be, so no stress, no worries. We got to get all the percentages in our favor of making money. That's not quite yet, but sometime in the next weeks or months there will become another great opportunity, and we will lock in profits. Bye bye for now.